हे गाइस, फाइनली हम लोग लंच खा रहे हैं करीबन 4:30 बजे के करीब। ऑर्डर हमने किया है पनीर टिक्का मसाला। आपने क्या ऑर्डर किया?
ये
ये मेरा
तंदूर
पनीर है।
ये तंदूर प्लेटर है विच हैज़ गॉट चिकन, प्रॉन्स एंड फिश।
गुड। और मैंने ऑर्डर किया है मटर मशरूम और
लच्छा पराठा।
लच्छा पराठा और आई थिंक एक गार्लिक थिंग। उसके साथ ये है पिना कोलाडा। तो हम लोगों का ये है कि दिस इज़ आवर 4th डे इन गोवा। तो मैं आपसे यही पूछना चाहता हूँ कि हाउ वाज योर 3 days टाइम, और क्या नोटिस किया आपने इन कंपैरेटिव टू व्हाट वी हैव डन ड्यूरिंग द पीक सीजन्स?
So when it comes to peak season and now, crowd is like people saying that like in May we'll see the less crowd and all these things, but I don't think so. I've seen a less crowd.
मुझे भी यही लगा कि आई डिड नॉट फाइंड इट टू बी लाइक टू लोनलीनेस, बट मोरजिम इवन द पीक टाइम पे भी मेरे ख्याल से ये इतना ही रहता है। ऐसा नहीं है कि मोरजिम बहुत ही
मोरजिम पे-
फ्लडेड है, बहुत सारा क्राउड है। सो आपका पहला दिन, दूसरा दिन, तीसरे दिन का एक्सपीरियंस एंड देन आज का एक्सपीरियंस। तो सूरज जी आ गए हमारी रोटियां लेके, लच्छा पराठा लेके। काफ़ी टाइम लिया इन्होंने एक्चुअली। रोज जी अपना सो
Okay, thank you.
हो गया हमारा, आ गया लच्छा पराठा।
Okay.
हाँ,
हाँ।
ये हटा दीजिए। नहीं
रहने
रहने दीजिए। ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम। चलिए, तो ये
बहुत
है।
बड़ा पाइनएप्पल पीस दिया है पेना कोलाडा में।
So basically, I wanted to understand from your perspective कि how has been your 3 days in off-peak season. दे दीजिए, मैं खा लेता हूँ।
Please.
ठीक है। So pineapple है। अच्छा, so बताइए, how was your day one since we started our trip from covering South Goa and North Goa both together? How was your experience with South Goa? And when we could do a comparison between a South Goa to a North Goa, what difference do you think it comes and brings to your life?
South Goa में इतना like we've been into South Goa like 5 years back there, so I did not see that much crowd in South Goa because it's when it comes to the off-season time पे. But this time I have seen so much of crowd in South Goa when like especially Palolem, and the shops were open till 1 o'clock. That was shocking to me because when we came in the like kind of December month itself, like 5 years back, by 8 o'clock all the shops were closed. Like not even Bangalore it'll happen, but they have closed by 8 o'clock. But this time this was a different scene because there was a lot of crowd, and I have seen more of like a family crowd because I think it's kind of a long holiday, what I feel it.
Yeah, maybe मुझे ये लग रहा है कि because it's more like a longest weekend.
Yeah.
आपका फर्स्ट में आया and then Saturday, Sunday and
Yes.
those are the things. That is the reason why I think कि क्राउड अच्छा था साउथ गोवा में। और इन कंपैरेटिव टू बागा तो वैसे ही रहता है। बागा का क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा आपका?
Baga ka to always it's a kind of happening place, and we went to like we usually go to Tito's Lane, but this time I have seen so many places which are open this time. और
नहीं भैया।
मैच स्टार्ट हो रहा है, मैच खेलने आ रहा है।
हाँ
हाँ,
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 मैच
ठीक
के लिए।
पक्का नहीं लगेगा ना।
तो सूरज जी
One
जो
sec, एक पानी का बॉटल दे दीजिए बस,
नॉर्मल ठंडा।
ठंडा।
ठंडा। तो सूरज जी जो हमें सर्व कर रहे हैं वो अभी क्रिकेट खेलने जा रहे हैं। आप समझ सकते हो कि ज़्यादा क्राउड नहीं है मोर्चिम में। तो यहाँ के जितने भी, देखिए, दिस इज़ अनदर वे ऑफ डूइंग टाइम पास बट एंटरटेनमेंट। सबको मौका मिलना चाहिए, मौका मिल रहा है तो ये लोग अभी खेल रहे हैं।
So
So-
Baga wise, if I see it, like there was a lot of crowd and there are so many party places has been open compared to last March. Also, I came with my friends, and it's like in every 10 steps you will see one of the party place in Baga Tito's Lane right now, and there was a lot of crowd and lot of traffic also, which we have seen on the second and third day. So we had a plan of going different places in north side itself. I think on second day we were really tired and we went only for the party, but on third day we visited Panjim, which is one of the famous church, which you might have seen in our previous videos, and also the Joseph Bar and Fontanas, because those are the places which I've been seeing in like Instagram reels and YouTube. Everyone, people were saying, so I just wanted to go and take some beautiful pictures
क्या
there.
लगता है मुझे? देखिए, पर्सनली व्हेन आई वेंट टू जोसेफ बार और वो फोंटना, मुझे ऐसा कोई खास दिखा नहीं, ठीक है। या तो लोगों ने बोल बोल के फेमस कर दिया उससे, मुझे तो वैसे तंग गलियाँ लग रही थी वो। तो बट एनी विच वेज it's said, but मेरे ख्याल से that is the reason why we have a lot of no photography, no video and all the stuff, because people must have got frustrated, the locals I'm talking about. और ये एक वो reason था मेरे ख्याल से, तभी हम लोगों को videography
We couldn't do it
we couldn't
because
do it.
that is mainly famous for the Portuguese time, because like Goa has been ruled by Portuguese for almost like 450 years, and they kept that old this thing for just to have that kind of show that Portuguese tradition, and that's where people keep on going and taking the pictures, and they had to keep it because they might be getting disturbed and all. Only 1 or 2 streets which we have seen, like
बड़ा नहीं है तो दो छोटा ही
हाँ, कोई बात, thank you. So that's where I think they might be getting disturbed, and there are only 1 or 2 streets which we have seen that you can click pictures and all these things. It's just kind of a bright colors where we have seen it. That's the reason why it's become very famous. And as per the other videos which I have seen from the other influencers, it looked good. So that's why when we click the pictures, you can see our click pictures also here. And that evening, yes, we kind of spent our time with our going out and spending our time together and all these things. And we went to Bagas Tito's Lane once again to see if it is any other party places which we can visit. But we didn't like anyone though, because it was too much crowded. And the one thing what I see in every season, same songs would be played. It's just that like people kind of enjoy on the same thing. We are regular visitors. So that's why we feel the same kind of pattern of songs go there.
वो चलता है क्योंकि ऐसा होता है ना कि आप जब जा रहे हो यू गो फॉर एन्जॉयमेंट पर्पस। सिर्फ सॉन्ग हमने भी सुने होंगे, हर चीज़ होता है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं पे वो चीज़ डिफरेंस आ जाती है कि आप कहीं और जा रहे हो, ट्राइंग टू ऑब्जर्व दैट yourself observed in the entire environment. So song wise I wouldn't say that it is wrong, but it is okay. But party wise, I think I've seen a good crowd.
Yeah,
I
there
would
was
agree.
literally a very good crowd over there.
So when you were expecting that there was no crowd, and still I could see a lot of crowd coming, especially आप देखोगे इस टाइम पे इंडियन क्राउड बहुत ज़्यादा है क्योंकि हॉलीडेज है। मैंने ऐसा नहीं देखा कि बहुत सारे फॉरेनर्स थे।
Foreigners, nahi, it's all about the Indian crowd and the family crowd, especially because of the May 1st and falling on with the weekend on Saturday, Sunday, and also the बच्चों का छुट्टी भी शुरू हो गया, तो इसलिए आई थिंक आई हैव सीन मोर ऑफ द फैमिली क्राउड ओवर हियर. दैट इज़ वन थिंग.
सो आई वुड से कि इस टाइम पे काफ़ी डिसेंट क्राउड था हर जगह. एंड लेट्स कम डाउन टू द मेन पॉइंट. इज फर्स्ट इज द स्टे, second one is the traffic, you can't do anything.
Yes.
And third one is the cost. Let us understand, let's define our 4 days so that people can know how much we have spent throughout the journey, and was it an economical journey or travel, or was it an expensive during this period of time, or it was okay that people can travel during this period of time. So let's talk from the stay part of it.
So when it comes to the stay part, I think people can travel because we did not see kind of huge price in terms of the stay wise. Even where in South Goa, the place which we have taken, it costed us about 1,800 per day. It was not that lavish type, but yeah, stay wise it was okay. And then when it comes to Baga, the surprising part is like most happening place we got it for very cheap cost.
Yeah, so Bagas, I think we have already loaded a video about the road tour. So उसमें आप देख लेना, मैंने खाया है with food. I think it was 1,500. Without
With
food, it
breakfast.
was 1,300. So we chose to have 1,500, which is about 3,000 for 2 days time. And the place is very close by to T-Town Lane. So दूसरा point ये है कि हम लोग the reason why we choose something very close by to the Tito's Lane is because हम गाड़ी चलाना नहीं चाहते and we don't want to fall into the criticality of drink and drive and getting caught. So I suggest most of the people, okay, if you have the plan of having a heavy drink, I'm saying that if you are doing a heavy drink, so I think it would be great that take a walkable distance place where you can enjoy the party and do not ruin your entire party post the party when you're traveling. So that's one of the things. Second thing is I'm not too sure where people are using the online cab facilities. Miles, you had an experience. I have never had an experience. Can you give me some experience about your with the Miles app, which is Miles Go?
Goa Miles app.
Goa Miles app. So help me understand on that. How was your experience with them?
So when we came in the month of March, like with my friends, I have came and we did not had any opportunity for the commute. So one day we have taken a bike that are charged about 600 per day. But more of we used Goa Miles app for us to book the cab, and it has really helped us because as a woman, like obviously no one knows how to drive a car. So that's why we more of people have told no, you'll not get a cab in Goa Miles. I think you should be doing something else with the private cabs and all. But I didn't see any kind of difficulty in terms of booking the cab in Goa Miles. Maximum everywhere I got it. Yeah, there are chances of like people saying that locals not allow us and all these things, but for me especially, we did not had any issue in terms of booking the cab and going here and there for travel especially.
So you would suggest that renting a bike is better, or using a Goa Miles is better?
If you have one destination only to go, then it is Goa Miles app is fine. But you have multiple destination to visit, bike is better.
Okay.
What I can suggest.
Great, no problem. So guys, what we'll do is we'll enjoy our food, and then we are going to jump into the water. And इसका बिल मैं आपको 2 मिनट में दिखाऊंगा कि हमने कितना खर्च किया इसके लिए. But food wise, what do you think about it?
Food is really good.
I liked it, no doubt. It has a right kind of spices, right kind of salt, right taste. This place is called as
Royal Amata by the Morjam Beach.
Royal Amata. The food is good, no doubt in it. I will always recommend for the food. I like eating food, but good food. So, अच्छी जगह है. I think you should visit. I'll give you the description of this place in the below. Link of this place. You can do it through GoIbibo or
You can do it through booking.com, Make My Trip, Agonda, all these places it has got. So I booked through Make My Trip. So we have different options to book as well.
Great guys. So we'll catch you up once I'm done with my
Food.
I don't know what is called as lunch, brunch.
I don't know.
Okay. 4:30. I'm not too sure about it though. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and do like, subscribe our channel so that we can make beautiful content. And I think जाने से पहले हम लोग और रात का भी एक निकालेंगे.
So we'll show how exactly the crowd, if it is we are seeing any of the crowd in night time, and how the kind of parties or anything are there in the Morjam Beach.
में मेरे ख्याल से parties तो मैंने कभी देखा नहीं है.
No, there is one which we are seeing nearby. So let's see how exactly it is going.
So we'll see about that, and we'll keep giving you the update. But on the cost front, yes, definitely. From my perspective, this is a good season to spend less and get the maximum.
One point I want to add. People will start telling you will get a heat wave and all.
Yes.
You want to say anything on that?
Yeah, so heat wave, when people were talking about, when I was driving, it was showing me about 36, 37 degrees. मुझे ऐसा कहीं नहीं लगा कि it is like a heat stroke. I think this is a beautiful time. Okay, it is not too hot. We are doing this video
In front of the beach.
in front of the beach, and it's 4:30 in the evening. We were like traveling and all the stuff. तो मुझे नहीं लगा कि कहीं पे भी हमें heat wave या heat stroke हुआ है. So I think you should come. I'm not denying this fact. There is nothing called as heat at this point in time. गोवा हर समय में गर्म ही रहता है. ठीक है, हीट स्ट्रोक मुझे कहीं नहीं दिखा. तो मेरे हिसाब से फ्रॉम माय सजेशन आई थिंक इट इज़ अ गुड टाइम टू कम एंजॉय द एम्प्टी बीचेस. Morjam looks like you are in a private beach. So
People who like peaceful silence and all these things from the from your busy life, stressful life, I think this is a place for you to come and chill, enjoy.
Great guys. So I'll catch you up in the next video, finishing my food and then giving a more information about the current situation in Goa. Thank you guys.